In this video, I'm going to show you how to get to first iMessage on iPhone without scrolling. So if you have multiple messages on your iMessage like this, and you want to get to the first message without scrolling through it, I'm going to show you how to do this on iOS 18. The way you can do this on iOS 18 is different from how you can do this on iOS 17.5, and it's different from how you can do this on iOS 16 or 15. But basically here, I'm going to show you how to get to the first iMessage on iPhone on iOS 18 without scrolling. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So to do this, all you just need to do is open the iMessage. Now, literally to get to your first message, you need to scroll down just like this, right? But to get to your iMessage here, just go ahead and click on the battery icon at the top right. You see that? This is going to take you to your first message on iMessage. So this is on iOS 18, and this message was on the 15th of May. Then if you scroll down like this, at the same time, while on your iOS 18, click on the time icon at the top left like this. You see that? That's going to take you back to the first message on your iPhone on iOS 18. So these are the two methods that are quite popular to use when you're using iMessage and you want to get to the first iMessage, but you don't want to scroll through it. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.